How to add money to Brokerage account Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add money to your Robinhood Brokerage account so that you can start trading stocks, crypto and more. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see your personal icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and you'll be access to account settings. Here click on transfers, or you can also click on search bar and search transfer. After that, tap on transfers to view your transfer option. Now click on transfer money, then choose the bank account you have already linked. Enter the amount you want to transfer and then tap submit. The money will be added to your brokerage account shortly. So this is how you can add money on Robinhood brokerage account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.